LED can have different spectrum and different spectrum combination. So you can use that to change the morphology at different stage of the plants to make the plants bigger or shorter, more compact. You can do anything, but the conventional light cannot do that. For example, blue light, you can get your plants to grow taller, stretch. So if you want to do grafting, that's the best tool to use. Other lighting are not able to do this. HPS can warm up your leaves. So sometimes if your humidity in the greenhouse is not controlled well, you can use HPS, and then it will dry the leaf a little bit better in the evening, and so less disease. But then LED has its own advantages because it doesn't heat up the leaf surface that much. So you can put the LED lighting much closer to your leaves. The advantage is that, so in a short, small space, you can have many layers. Say you have 10 square meters, you can have 10 storages, and then so each floor you can have a LED. So you can use that without burning your plants. HPS will do that. More and more commercial greenhouses are using LEDs to replace HPS. So it is already a reality, but the technology, LED technology, still growing that way. So it's really so many companies are joining this adventure, and many people trying to improve the technology, make it more efficient, make it more versatile. They even use feedback control system to save energy and also to provide plants with different spectrums at different time. So the technology is going that way, but the price is going down that way. You know, I say in a few years probably, the more research we do, the more companies get involved. I see that's probably going to be the major lighting source.